What up, guys? So I'm gonna charge the AC in the truck today. I bought this one here. I'm not sure, I put this on the other cars, but it's like you start squeezing and it's gone. I don't know if it's gone because it charges quick, or yeah, I don't know, or it's not enough. The neighbors, it's like, oh, he's making YouTube. So let's do it. All right, of course, this is a Dodge Ram 2500. All the cars are gonna be like pretty much the same. Oi! Hang tight. And after a lot of fight, I found the port. So this is the high port, high pressure. And usually when you try to connect this thing here on the wrong port, it would not connect. But don't quote me on that, don't try. And usually should say here high or low, and this one doesn't say anything. But this is the high, I know, and that is the low right there. See this here? So we're gonna take that little cap out of there, and we have our low port. All right, so we unscrew this, take this safety tab out of here. Be very careful because you can get freeze burned, if that's how it's called. And then you put back in there. Yep, be sure it's tight. When you press a button here, you're gonna see a little something saying there. So what I'm gonna do, remove this, remove the plastic tab here, and we're ready to roll. So if I'm trying, yeah, see, it's 0. So I'm gonna start the car, I'm gonna connect this, start the car, and then we're gonna go back to this, okay? So with the car not running, it says 108. We're not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna go inside the car and we're gonna start. They say to run to temperature, but I'm gonna just start. And here you put on the highest settings, recirculating, all code, and on max. And yeah, and I can see like it's blowing hot and it never cools off. So this is my max. This is the max I can. I gotta turn that on. So now it's actually running. So if I go to the engine, I'm gonna see my AC right here. This is the AC. The center pulley stops if you turn off the AC. So that's what we want. And now here we have 6 psi. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake and I'm gonna press for 15 seconds as I do it up and down, and now I have 13 psi. And here there's a measurement saying 25, between 25 and 50 is good. So just shake. There we go. 18, 15 seconds. So much. Oop, 20. It's getting green. The car must be getting cold now. It's this is a very weird place. C23, 22. This camera gets a little blurry, but you can kind of get it. This I can see what I'm doing. This is a very unfortunate place because usually it's somewhere else that you have space to shake up and down. Now it's 25. Yeah, I'm gonna go all in. (27, 26). So it is cold now. I can feel it. It's 100 degrees outside and here it feels great. So yeah, I guess that's how it is. The main part of this video was to show where the port is and how to do it this year. So I have a little more if I need to, but I guess for now that's all I need. I'm gonna turn off here so it doesn't waste the battery. It's a pretty cool thing. It's easy, cheap, don't put your hand on the thing, don't push the little ports, because if that Freon gets out on your finger, you're gonna have a bad day. You might lose your finger. So yeah, all good. Don't forget to subscribe, check out the other videos, and later.